Hello, how are you? Welcome to our my channel, Bubbling Broke. Bubbling Broke service up the latest nail polish trend with additional post about beauty products, foods, peace families, and green livings. Polished advance. Bubbling Broke blocks layout touches upon all of her areas of interest. But even with links to animal shelter mix in the blogs is easy to navigate. Broke enters fun and informative posts almost daily. Nail related posts about once a week. Nailing it. The running slideshow is always on and including fabulous photos and watches. The living traffic feed in fasting to Avas to provides a fun way to identify and locate other nail bloggers. Nail glory. Nail glory is the brainchild of a few nail polish. Obsessed girls who want to share her knowledge of manicure with every woman who might need it. Polished advance. Nail Grozy is more than a blog. It is a blog shape with the byline bumpers your nails with us. Cause like you gaze. He took care for the beauty of nails. Blog members received regular newsletters, discount of up to 50% on nail products. Special accounts victory proprietary status for new colors and free deliveries. Nailing it. Nail Glory is only sale OPI for news. Nail Glories participate like OPI's area of colors